Hello everyone, in today's video we would like to demonstrate how you can check the AirPods battery on your iPhone 14 series device. Alrighty, so provided that you have already paired your AirPods, whatever model they are, and the device itself, the smartphone itself, one way to check the battery state of the AirPods, both the AirPods themselves and the case, is to open it and hold it close to your iPhone. And as you can see, it will show the battery state of both the AirPods and the case. Sometimes this little option, this little feature does not occasionally work. It's not that stable, should I say, even though now it should work every time, but you know, you can have like very old and worn off AirPods or something is not right. That's absolutely normal. There is also the other way to at all times be able to check the battery state. So basically using the widget like this, as you can see, it shows the as long as the AirPods and iPhone are paired and they are in range with each other, it will be displayed right here what is the current battery state. You can add this widget to the home screen as well, so I'll drag it over here. You can also add the battery widgets to the lock screen. The video tutorial on how to customize the lock screen appearance is another video we have filmed and have on our channel. What else? If you want to individually see the data for the AirPods you have, just put them out of the case, put them in your ears, and now as you can see, it displays the battery state of separate battery state for the left AirPod and right AirPod, if I've named them correctly, but whatever. Now you can see them separately. And once we get them back into the case, it now will just display the shared battery, or the lowest battery of two, should I say. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.